My name is Omkar Anil Shinte. Omkar Anil Shinte.
Okay. So what are you going to show?
Magic lamp.
Standard क्या?
4B.
Tell me.
At the rock. At the drop of water fall on the spoon, the weight of that spoon, the spoon goes down. Then water falls on this. Water falls, then again this goes down. Water falls, then again this goes down. Then light get off on. That.
So what the message you going to tell us? Means what is the use of this?
We can use while decorating Ganesh Utsav or an evils or joker size instead of their own.
So you decorate any Ganesh stuff this year? No? You didn't decorate it this year?
क्या सर्किट कनेक्शन क्या है इसका?
Huh?
अभी तो नहीं जला ना? अच्छा ओके.
No, it is going up.
अच्छा एकदम से आने पे वो टच करता है ना उसको?
नहीं वो ब्रेक होता है ब्रेक एंड मेकिंग
मेकिंग करने में एक्चुअली इसको टच करने से जल रहा है. तो ये वेट से
Actually
एकदम
वो
गिरता
थोड़ा
है. हाँ.
थोड़े से ज़्यादा नीचे नहीं जाएगा. वहाँ पे यहाँ पे ब्रश करना पड़ेगा उसको क्लीन करके.
So the use only Ganesh Utsav.
Pretty honest.
What?
I
Used for
explained.
Ganesh Utsav.
So we can decorate Ganesh Utsav and all.
Very honest.
Instead of their eyes, we can use this light.
For evil.
An evil size instead of their eyes.
Evil
we can use
scientist.
it.
ये evil scientist क्यों होगा? Yes.
My project is about siphon effect.
So what is siphon?
Siphon effect. The word siphon comes from ancient Greek, which means pipe or tube. A narrow tube in an inverted U-shape through which the liquid flows uphill above the surface of the reservoir without pump. This is the function of siphon. In siphon, atmospheric pressure pushes the liquid up till the area of less pressure at the top of the tube, and the liquid flows down due to the pull of gravity.
Okay, so what is the demonstration you're going to show us?
And the siphon is used in farms, in municipal water works, and in
ठीक है. बताओ.
Okay, so tell.
in this pipe.
There is a
Water
leak.
should go.
Here going up,
No,
but
no, it is not going. There is a leak somewhere. It is not going. It's leaked here. It's not going. It's not
ये निकालो.
working.
निकालो.
Not in farm.
घर में आप साइफन एक्शन कैसे यूज करोगे? हाँ? समझो आपको घर में 2 बैरल्स हैं और एक बैरल में फुल भरा हुआ है. तो फुल भरा हुआ बैरल से आपको दूसरे जो एम्प्टी बैरल है उसमें वाटर डालना है. तो कैसे यूज करोगे साइफन एक्शन? इट्स अ गुड प्रोजेक्ट.
थर्ड.
Your name is?
Nishal.
Nishal, okay. And what are you going to say?
Sir, this is a mini generator.
Mini?
Generator.
What is written here?
Electromagnet.
Tell me.
Mini power generator.
Tell me.
So as we turn this fully, motor revolves and magnet inside this strike each other and electricity is produced. This is model how to produce electricity by generating more power. We can charge mobile, camera, etc.
So you wrote here electromagnet. So do you know what is called electromagnet? You only wrote here. I didn't say anything. You didn't read?
So I wrote Sabha here.
So your project name is electromagnet, but you don't know what is electromagnet. Electricity and magnet.
यहाँ पे कहाँ मैग्नेट रहेगा? Where is the magnet? इसमें मैग्नेट है.
Inside.
So magnet
What is
क्या
that?
है?
So this is a motor.
Motor. Okay. What is the purpose of motor? मोटर का किस लिए?
Hydro electric power. Okay. Yeah, tell me.
My experiment name is hydroelectric power plant. For making it, I use cardboard, water, cups, generator, turbine, electric bulb, and wire. When we flow water from upside, first it falls in cup due to increasing weight. Cup goes down like this. Second cup also goes down.
Okay.
Like this, second cup also goes down. But first cup get empty. Like this, it rotates, and turbine change the rotation of wheel into electricity.
What is the use?
We can produce light.
You can produce that. So where are you going to use this system?
Electricity.
So where are you going to put this system? Why we need this hydroelectricity?
To produce light.
Yeah, but we have light also here. So we already have lights, no? So why I need that system? Why I need hydroelectric power?
Do you know hydroelectric means what? Hydro means what? What you have used? Water means what?
Pani.
Okay. हायड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक म्हणजेच काय? पाण्यापासून वीज निर्मिती. पाण्यापासून आणखी कशापासून निर्मिती होते इलेक्ट्रिसिटी?
This
So what do you mean by micro hydro?
micro means small, hydro means water.
Power generator. Okay, so now explain.
What the working principle of this
project is the kinetic energy from the flow of water is converted into mechanical energy again the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. So when we throw the water on this water turbine by the water injector, the turbine will rotate. Because of that, the shaft will rotate. This means the kinetic energy is converted into mechanical energy. Then because of this shaft, the DC electric motor will run, and the LED will become on. This means the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. I had used wastage material like water injector, turbine from plastic pipe, the two gears from damaged toy, this shaft from damaged toy, DC electric motor from damaged toy, and one LED from damaged toy.
Okay, so can you show us how it works?
That LED become on because of water force.
What is the use of this?
When we throw water with force, this move and the water come up. That's why it go. That the clothes will become wet. That's why I put this on.
काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या होती है?
You said all kinetic energy,
Mechanical energy.
mechanical energy. What is all this?
स्टैंडर्ड थर्ड.
Fourth.
But you said something you don't know.
I don't know that meaning.
You don't know that? So how do you say that? You don't know that? You just said the kinetic energy converted to the mechanical energy converted to the electricity. You said now? Yeah, so what is kinetic energy?
By the flow of water it becomes.
Where is the DC motor?
Inside.
Where is it?
Inside.
Okay. Can you use AC motor here? AC motor यूज कर सकते हो? ये किस में से निकाला है आपने?
वो एक डैमेज टॉय था मेरा उससे.
हाँ, क्या था? कार थी डैमेज या रिमोट कंट्रोल पे चलती थी?
नहीं,
फिर?
वो सेल का हेलीकॉप्टर था. वो
अच्छा.
खराब हो गया, इसलिए मैंने उसमें से ये निकाला है.
हाँ.
My school's name is City Pet School. Now my project name is electric lemon battery. Today we are going to grow a LED. Now if we take 3 lemons and it gives
Which standard you
0.8
are?
third wisdom.
थर्ड विजडम.
In this we are going to use a lemon. From this lemon we are going to blow a LED. Now we are taking these wires. These wires are called connecting wires. Now, as we know, as the nail is called positive, the nail is called negative, and the coin is called positive. Now, if we take one connecting wire and we put it from the positive, and the next wire we will leave. Now we will take second wire and we will put into negative, means we will put into nail, and next one we will put it to positive. Now we have taken positive, negative, positive. Again we will take one more wire and it will give positive. Positive, again to negative. Now we will put it to positive and then positive to negative. we are going to take this. This is called a LED. The LED's full form is light emitting diode. Now, from this side positive is coming, from this side negative is coming. Now, we will, in this there are two LEDs, one is positive leg and one is negative leg. Now how we will know what is positive leg and what is negative leg? Now in this, where there is a taper end, that leg is called negative. Now the positive will connect it to positive and the negative will connect it to negative.
And the problem is they kept this metal so long that the surface is cold. So if it is fresh, it will work. Okay, so what is this?
This is a multimeter to check the wires are correct or not. If it is cut, anything happens to these wires, we can know this that the wires are not useful
And
for
what
us.
is the principle of it?
The principle of it is, impact of energy does not comes out from the lemons. It comes from
Okay.
नेगेटिव 1.5
ये इधर आएगा, ये इधर आएगा।
Very useful. What is that? What does it mean? What does it mean?
negative. Black for negative and red for positive. If you change, it's a power 1.5 and if you change this, it will show negative.
So-
the principle of this is from the lemons. It is not coming the electricity. It is coming from the nail and the coin. The coin is called as copper and the nail is called as zinc. And from this we can know that if
So why you need lemon?
we can use some other thing also, like which gives vitamin C, and from the things we can also do, like the cucumber.
Have you tried in cucumber?
Yes.
It's work. So how do you work? You know the principle? You don't know the principle?
See.
Yeah, it's good. Working. Good.
You design this project? Yeah? You design this project?
No, I didn't design it, but in this, inside this lemon there is an acid called citric acid. That citric acid works as an electrolyte, and this can glow LED.
So if you take other, instead of taking this coin, if I take other nails or other metal, will it work?
No,
Why?
because this has a copper, and this copper can only do this.
So why you need copper?
If we will not take a copper, then it will be not glowing.
That I know. That I know.
कॉइन में कॉपर रहता है क्या?
हाँ, and the nail में zinc.
जिंक रहता है. Good. ये नेल पे आयरन जिंक है. ये नेल है या स्क्रू है?
Nail.
नेल है. It's a screw. Screw है ना? It's a thread है. हाँ.
school. This is a water and electricity saver. This is a water and electricity saver. First, the water from. You see, usually in bungalows there are two tanks. One is the base tank and one is the overhead tank. The excess. First, the water from this tank goes to this tank through this pipe, and we often forget to off the switch after the overhead tank is full of water. I have made a machine which will save water as well as electricity. First, the